Hey, what's up Terra Luna holders? So today video is gonna very important. You know why? This is one big reason. So I explained it in this video. But before I get started, I request you to please click the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important. You know why? But because if you can get subscribe to this channel, then I am updating you every cryptocurrency. Every years give you a good news or bad news, everything about all cryptocurrencies. So Terra Luna is one of my favorite cryptocurrency. You know why? Because Terra Luna is going up every hour, every day. This is one reason that I love that. Okay, so this time the Terra Luna has gone down, and the all holders of Terra Luna is gonna sell it. So this is absolutely very bad mistake. This is very big mistake for Terra Luna to holders. So they can sell it. So you know why? The reason is that this is the starting of this month. This is the start of this month, so they can gone down. Then the holder of Terra Luna is gone decided to they can sell it. So this is absolutely very big mistake. You know why? I hope they can cross easily. You can see here this time the price of Terra Luna is 18.74 per US dollar. So this is absolutely going up like a rocket. So this is absolutely good news for Terra Luna. But this time you can see here the chant is minus 0.32%. Absolutely they can go down. So this is absolutely very bad news. But I suggest you to don't sell it. Please hold it for the end of this month. I hope they can easily cross it 30 US dollar. But if you can they can cross 30 US dollar, then they can make you a millionaire. They can make you a millionaire if you hold it 100 Terra Luna coins. Then absolutely they can give you a very big amount. They can give you a big profit. So this is absolutely good. Let's check it out. The last one day reason. I hope the last one day reason is gonna good. But you can see here absolutely the result absolutely gonna good. You can see here the change is plus 1.14% gone good. This is absolutely, and the price is not 18. The price is 19. So this is absolutely good news for our holders. Please hold it. Don't sell it. Wait for the end of this month. I hope they can easily beat 30 US dollar. So they can make you a millionaire. Thanks for watching Terra Luna holders. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the like button. Please bro, the subscribe, click the like button. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.